It's a skin recovery lotion. That's why I went for it, because
hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
amazing people, how are you doing? It's Sunita here with a smiley face. If you're new, I'm Sunita Emmanuel, based in Lagos, Nigeria. I film about skincare videos and everything beauty. If there is any question you have for me, please come to Instagram. I'm definitely going to answer. But if you are coming for recommendation, bear in mind that you're going to pay a token for recommendation, because you guys are really choking me there. Okay, so please don't take this the wrong way. This is just me, because I buy data and I do lots of other things. If you check other content creator in my niche, that's what they do, and I'm not doing it because I feel like this is what they do. But the thing is as a token of app, because most times a lot of you don't come back to say, oh, thank you, it was helpful and blah blah blah. Okay, so yeah, this is just me telling you that if you're coming for recommendation, bear in mind that you're definitely going to pay a token, so that it doesn't come as a surprise to you when I'm telling you that, oh, you have to pay. Okay, so don't worry, it's not going to be expensive, but it depends on your approach. I might not even collect anything, because I've not even done my card rate. Is it red card or card rate or kits, whatever? I've not done it. So for now, I don't have a fixed price for recommendation, so I'm going to do that. Just let me know in the comment section what you think I should do, or how you think I should go about it. Should I charge based on either chat or calls? Like, I don't even understand. I don't know how I'm going to go about it, but however it is, I'm definitely going to come back with an update telling you how I have been able to resolve that. Okay, so with that being said, I quickly want to review a particular lotion for you guys. Okay, we all know that times are really tough right now. A lot of people cannot meet up with a lot of things. I was just talking to my friend a few moments ago that I've been getting a lot of DM on Instagram, people asking for recommendation, people also saying that some of the lotions they want to use or they were using is now very much expensive, they can't afford anymore. And you guys, you know, I'm a victim of such as well. Okay, I've been using the QEI oil, and it is now very expensive. You go to other places, they will tell you 17,000, other people will tell you 19, depending on where you're getting it from actually. But the least you can get it for right now is for 16,000 naira. And you guys, using that lotion for a month and going back to get another one is a lot, unless you want to start mixing and mixing, which is going to kill the potency of the cream, like its originality. Okay, so I thought of sharing with you a minimalist lotion that will really work very well. I know a lot of you knows this lotion, and this lotion is none other than Pure Egyptian Secret. Okay, this is the gold one. I always tell you guys before now that I like to use any lotions that comes in the gold. Okay, I have not tried any other one, but however, all of them just contain a simple thing. It's just an ingredient that makes the difference from all of them. Okay, and then this one is the face and body lotion. It contains egg yolk and glutathione. It contains Licorice PT40 and kojic formula. Okay, is a skin recovery lotion. That's why I went for it, because of course, if you are battling with a whole lot of things on your skin, I lost my other footage. I'm not using the phone I was using before. If not, I would have shown you a footage of my crisis. Like, I had a lot, like I had terrible crisis. I call it crisis. Like, I had terrible skin infection, and the thing really almost got me depressed. But thank God, like, it's I'm recovering. I would have shown you the footage because I took pictures, I took videos, and I wanted to show to you guys reasons, because I actually wanted to let you guys know that I don't just come here to review product because I just want to review product and earn money on YouTube. I'm doing this because I'm also going through this thing right now, and I feel like there are people who are also going through it, and they need somebody in their condition or to talk to them. Okay, so that's why I like, that's the essence for this channel. I didn't do it because there are other niches I could have taken, but I just told myself, you know what, talk about creams, talk about lotion. So like I'm trying to say, me, I don't have a perfect skin. I've been battling with a whole lot, especially of late, you guys. Like, this year has been the climax for me. I've been going through a lot with my skin, but trust me, it's healing. Like, I remember telling you guys on one of my videos that that I film about my skin or whatever, that I've been breaking out, I've been having like eczema, I've been having like a lot of skin reactions, and I'm reacting to a lot of things. So I didn't even know what to use at the time, but trust me, you guys, they are no longer there. Like, it's not like it's 100% cleared, but if you ask me, it's 90% cleared compared to her. In fact, if it's 90%, that means they just left with the spottings. Okay, so but trust me, it has been it for me. This year has been it, especially the past 3 months, 4-5 months has been it for me. But however, this is me just telling you that if you are looking for a lotion that will suit your skin, that is not pricey, like an affordable lotion basically, that could still do the job for you, look out for Purec Egyptian Secret. There comes in different variants. They have the blue, they have the black, they have the, like, there comes in different variants. So by all means, go for the one you feel you're comfortable with. For me, I have a sensitive skin, and this is hydroquinone free, okay, and it has SPF 20. It's a 14 days whatever, okay. So but like, I'm not looking at the 14 days because I'm not after whitening. What I'm after is a cream that will suit my skin type, okay. Like, what you're looking out for is something that will suit your skin type, not something that will you know, bleach you, especially me that have green veins and all. Most times I react to creams. That's why it may seem as though I'm changing lotions like almost every time. My all-time favorite, as you guys know, is the QEI, but because for now I cannot afford to be getting it every time, I opted for Ellen Beauty. And the reason why I left Ellen Beauty is because I started having breakout on my back, and I didn't know what caused it at the time. So I was advised to actually stop using whatever it is I was using at the time, so that I will know what is actually causing it. Yes, I still seek advice from people when it comes to my skin too. So what I did was I stopped using the Queen is it Queen? No, I stopped using the Ellen Beauty. I stopped using the soap I was using at the time, the scrub, everything. I started using was it Dove body soap from I think I can't even remember, from Tedmo to Premier Co to Dettol to a lot of things. So I was just using medicated soaps at the time, and just oil. So at some point I got really dark, not like dark per se, but I wasn't after lightening up. I wasn't after anything. All I was after is just getting a solution to my skin concerns, okay. So yeah, I was advised to stop using everything. That was why I stopped. So going back to it, I wasn't so sure. So it's not like the cream is bad or anything, but because I already stopped whatever it is I was using at the time, I just thought to myself, why not try something new, something you feel like you can, you know. It was difficult for me because I'm one of that person that finds it really difficult to change into another lotion, because getting used to it, or getting the lotion used to your skin or body, is another big work for me, if you ask me. This video was supposed to be for review, but this is just me telling you like my like the truth. We are growing every day. I don't want people to start perceiving, or I don't want you guys to start feeling like, oh, what's going on. Like, I cannot keep secret when it comes to my skincare routines and regimen. I see a lot of comments, you guys telling me to show you what I've been using. My skin is flawless, my skin is this, my skin is that. I'm still going through it myself, okay. Yes, my face is clearer compared to before, but my skin is still in that process of healing, okay. So this video was just for me to let you guys know that, okay, if you are looking for a minimalist cream that still works, go for this. So if you are looking out for a cream that will whiten you speedily, this one will not whiten you speedily, unless of course you're going to pro-mix it with something. If you want me to pro-mix it for you, let me know down in the comment section. Let me know the kind of the skin tone you're looking out for, because I advise people, if you're pro-mix with a very good cream that does not contain hydroquinone, so that when you're pro-mixing, when you're using any serum to pro-mix or any oils to pro-mix, it will not give you green veins, stretch marks and whatnot, okay. So when you're pro-mixing, be careful on how you go about pro-mixing, and be careful on the lotion you're going to use to pro-mix. So it's best you even use a neutral lotion. By that I mean a brightening or lightening lotion that has, you know, very good active ingredients that will not damage your skin. Okay, like I said, if you're looking out to lighten up gradually or whatever, just use this one from now till December. I'm sure you should be light enough to your satisfaction because there are some people, if they want to travel home, they want to get lighting, they want to pay attention to their skin before traveling. But yeah, however it is, look out. I'm just, maybe I don't know, I'm going to review the other range, okay, but this is me just telling you that as you can see, this cream is somewhere here. Okay, I've used it up until this point, so if for any reason it's bad on me, I would have just stopped using it. But trust me, it is still very good, for especially for those people who do not like using SPF. This one contains SPF 20, but please, I still advise you to use your SPF. This one does not give dark knuckles, it just blends. The way it just works on my skin, yeah, I use other things too. I use oils, like this is an oil that I use, this hydrate oil. I use it. I don't want to talk about it for now because I've not been, like, this is my first time trying out this oil, and I have not even used it that much. It's because I used it for massage. I got my friend came around the other day and she gave me a thorough massage. Of course, my body needed it, so she used this oil. That's why it's even halfway like this. Okay, so what I do is I just pour the oil into my hand, and I don't dry my body completely when I'm out of the bathroom. I just, you know, I still have like I don't apply it on a damp, like I apply it on a damp body, like on my damp skin. I don't clean the water completely. Okay, I don't clean the water completely. What I do is I just, when I'm out of the bathroom, I just dab my body with a clean towel and then go in with the oil before my body lotions. That way it just goes into my skin and hydrates my skin and lighten me at the same time. That is what I do. I don't pour it into my cream, so I just rub the oil into my whole body before going in with my lotion. So that is what I do. So for now, this is what I'm using. If for any reason I'm changing into anyone, I'm definitely going to still let you guys know. So I would say to you guys that feel, oh, I'm changing too much, or you feel you're so scared of changing that. I'm also scared of changing lotions, but sometimes if you know what you're doing, if you know the lotions you're changing into, you don't need to worry. So long as you know what ingredient does not align well with your skin, you're definitely going to like stumble into one cream that will suit your skin. And trust me, if this cream does not react badly on my skin, I'm not going to stop. One thing about me is that if for any reason I see any reaction, I stop immediately. That's what I do. That's why I tell you people, if I review product and you're using it, forget the fact that I review product. What matters is how is this product working on you. So if it's not working as it should, you should stop. Okay, because it might work on another person. So I'm not reviewing for one person, I'm reviewing for all. So you should pick one that is good for you, and if for any reason it's not good, just change to another one. So yeah, I'm not saying change. If a cream is good on you, you don't have any reason to change. Okay, so yeah, this Purec Egyptian Secret, the gold, is super nice. It's nice. Okay, for me it's nice for now. Like I'm not even missing with anything yet, and it's nice. Okay, it's nice. And yeah, if you like this video, please give me a huge thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notification bell icon so that you get notified whenever there is a banger from me. Okay, so yeah, tell me what you guys want to see in the comment section, when, like, what next you'd want to see, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.